Tennant Company's S10 Industrial Walk-Behind Sweeper is easy to own while providing excellent cleaning in harsh industrial environments. The S10 Industrial Walk-Behind Sweeper helps increase your productivity and provides health and safety benefits for your employees and customers. The S10 is easy to operate and maintain and improves your facility's image, all with a low cost of ownership. This industrial sweeper provides excellent dust control to protect your employees and your facility. The compact design enables you to efficiently clean open and congested spaces. Reduce your cost to clean with Tennant's S10 Industrial Walk-Behind Sweeper. The wraparound bumper helps you reduce repair costs and protect your machine and facility. Increase the time you spend cleaning with the largest hopper of any walk-behind sweeper. Tennant's S10 Industrial Walk-Behind Sweeper provides health and safety benefits for your operators, employees, and customers. The S10 Industrial Walk-Behind Sweeper is designed for safe operation with two powerful, fume-free batteries. Improve operator comfort with the ergonomic handle that is height adjustable with 3 settings for maximum comfort and control. Enhance your facility's image with Tennant's S10 Industrial Walk-Behind Sweeper. Variable forward and reverse motions provide easy maneuverability to improve your facility image. Keep your facility looking its best with exceptional dust control. From general warehouse sweeping to heavy industrial applications, the unique design of the floating hopper means you can handle a large variety of debris. Tennant's S10 Industrial Walk-Behind Sweeper features innovative engineering for easy operation and maintenance. Durable, corrosion-proof construction reduces your maintenance costs. The onboard charger plugs into a standard 110-volt outlet to make charging easy and accessible. Tennant's S10 Industrial Walk-Behind Sweeper, providing excellent results while delivering reduced costs to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image, all in an easy-to-use and maintain battery-powered sweeper. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.